Everybody, it's me, Miss Strasser, here with your problem-solving option 3 for this week. We are looking at a problem-solving called Bamboo and the Botanist. A botanist is a person who studies plants. Mr. Moss is a botanist who is studying a type of bamboo that can grow 1 2/10 to 3 9/10 inches every 24 hours. Mr. Moss has 2 pots with a stem of bamboo in each pot. Each stem of bamboo is 4 feet in height, and Mr. Moss wants to measure the height of each stem every 24 hours for a week as accurately as he can. Mr. Moss records the growth of each stem. So what I would do first is I would come down here to the bottom and I would split my paper in half. I have stem 1 and stem 2 of bamboo. That way I have my data organized into each individual plant. Then it says that he measures it every day, and when I come to this data here, I notice that stem 1 goes all the way to 7 days. So I would come down here to my chart where I have stem 1 of bamboo, and I would label day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, and day 7. So that way I'm keeping track of my work, and I would do the same thing over here on the right side to keep the numbers organized and neat. It says here that stem in pot 1 grew this many inches on the first day. So you're not adding that to the original height. You're not subtracting anything. You're just tracking how much it grew, just the growth on the first day. You're not, they're not compounding on top of each other. That's not what this is. It's every piece of data is individual. So for day 1, it says it grew 2 878 thousandths inches. So that means I'm writing that under stem 1 next to day 1. I'm putting this number right here. For day 2, it says it grew this amount. So I'm coming down here to my stem 1 day 2, and I'm putting my data in the chart. Again, this is not really anything mathematical yet. You're just labeling the amount of growth per day for each stem and getting it to look like almost like a chart so that you can kind of see the numbers next to each other. Mr. Moss organizes his bamboo growth and then uses greater than, less than, or equal to symbols to make 6 observations, show how he could represent his data, and make 6 observations. So this is going to look different for everybody, but I'm looking for accuracy, and I'm looking for the use of those greater than, less than, or equal to symbols. So for instance, maybe you want to show that day 1 growth was better than day 2 growth for plant 2. Maybe you want to show that on day 5, plant 1 grew more than plant 2 on day 5. I don't really care what your observations are, but I'm looking for a variety of different ones, and then I'm looking for you to put those into sentence format. So my 6 observations were, and then writing those math sentences to show me that, along with the symbols, greater than, less than, or equal to. Okay? Good luck, guys. I think you're going to do great.